How to change the visibility of video on YouTube to public. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application, log in with your account details and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, from the menu go to YouTube Studio. After that, there you will see the status of your videos. To see that, simply go to Content from the left hand side menu and under Visibility, if the video is private, simply click on Private option and change the visibility to Public. Then after click on Publish and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can change the visibility to public in YouTube channel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.